Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply a bandeau or a scarf to your niece mini. Here I collected a few, or I purchased a pack of 10 scarves, and I'm going to be showing you guys how they look. I'm gonna lay them out, show you the different colored ones, and I will have it linked in the description box down below if you decide that you want to purchase it. I want to say the entire package was maybe $8 or $10, so I will have it linked down below. Here we have the different colors, and while I'm showing you this, I'm going to talk with you guys or mention the word of the day. The word of the day is determination. And determination will get you further than talent. And when I listen to that quote, or I listen to that saying, I just think of, people who have a talent and feel like they'll get further than someone who is determined. When you're determined, chances are you will get further because you're that person that's practicing more, doing more, getting out there more to perfect what it is that you want to perfect. So that's why for me, I do believe that determination will get you further than talent will. Here all I'm doing is just matching or seeing which color scarf will go best with my niece mini. I wanted to go with a more neutral color, so I went with the brownish kind of scarf with that yellow hue. I originally wanted the red, but I found that it was too much, so I decided to go with this scarf instead, and I'll show you how I apply it. So what I do is I just open it up because you want to get it on the handle or under the handle. So I just put it under the handle and I make sure that there's the same amount of scarf on each side, or so that it's even. So under the handle, like I mentioned, and just make sure that it's an even amount. And then all I start to do is just wrap it through until I get to the end, and then I'll show you what I do. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think of the word of the day. Do you agree that determination gets you further than talent, or do you believe that talent gets you further than determination does? When I share word of the day, I would love to know if you agree with my word of the day, if you have a different perspective. I'm always open because sometimes we only see things from our point of view, and it's good when you get different point of views. So here we got to the end, and all I do is just stick it through, I wrap it and go through the hole just to create a knot, and then I'll do it again. And the reason why I'm doing it again, I'll show you later on, is because I'm going to be putting a handle on this bag so that I could use it crossbody or as a shoulder bag. So wrapped it through again, put it through that hole as you can see, and then I just pull it through nice and taut so that that knot stays in place, and so that when the handle's on it and it's tugging on the scarf, it doesn't come apart. So I just created that 2 double knot section at the end, and then all I do here is I just repeat the process over again. So once again, all I'm doing here is just wrapping it through the handle. So I'll continue just wrapping it through, going through until we get to the end when I just create a knot through the hole. So just keep wrapping until you get to a decent amount where you can just create that knot. So here I am creating the knot. That's the first knot, and then I will do it again. So I'll go over again under the handle, and then under and through the hole to create a second knot. If you notice here, and I will show you up close, but you'll notice that I have less material on this side as opposed to the other side. And as you can see right here, see how that right side is longer than the left side is? All I do here is I just unravel it just so that there's the same amount of scarf or material from the scarf left on each side. The only difference is that on the right side there are 2 knots, and on the left side there's just 1. So you can also unravel it and do it over to end up with the same amount of material from the scarf. Here I'm showing you the strap that I'm adding. I just showed you the little piece of leather. I didn't want to use that because I don't want to tug on it, so I used the actual scarf, as I mentioned, to attach the strap. So here we have it attached to the strap, the handle. So the pressure that I'm putting, or when I have the strap or the bag on, it's pulling on the scarf, not on the actual leather from the handle. So this way I can use it as a crossbody, a shoulder strap bag. It gives it a versatile use. It makes this nice mini something more versatile. So here, what you can do is just take a gold chain. I also picked this up from Amazon, and I will have it linked down below. And I just added this to the scarf as well. This is if you want to use it top handle, but you want to just add a little bit of, I don't know, like a little something to the bag. Yes, you can use it as a strap, but it's pretty short. So I would just use this just to add a little something to the bag. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Also remember to subscribe. See you in the next video.